Does a $1,000 monitor really deliver 10 times the performance of a $100 monitor? Today, we're putting two monitors head-to-head, one budget-friendly and one high-end powerhouse. Is it worth spending big, or can you get great value for less? Let's find out. First up, build and design. The budget monitor is lightweight, with a simple plastic build, slim bezels, and a basic stand with limited adjustability. It's designed for casual users who need a screen without the frills. The premium monitor, on the other hand, features a sleek high-end design with RGB lighting, a sturdy adjustable stand, and a premium build. It's built for gamers and professionals who demand top-tier aesthetics and ergonomics. Does design matter to you? Let us know in the comments. Now let's talk about the most important part, the display. The budget monitor offers a 1080p resolution with a 60 Hz refresh rate and basic color accuracy. It's great for general use, web browsing, and office work, but colors may look flat, and motion clarity won't be the best for gaming. The premium monitor steps up with a 4K UHD resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, and HDR support for stunning visuals. Colors are more accurate, blacks are deeper, and motion is buttery smooth, making it a top choice for gamers, creators, and professionals. Do you need ultra-sharp visuals? Or is 1080p enough for you? Drop your thoughts below. For gamers, refresh rate and response time are key. The budget monitor offers a 60 Hz refresh rate with a slower response time, which is fine for casual gaming and everyday tasks, but may show motion blur in fast-paced games. The premium monitor, however, delivers a 144 Hz refresh rate with a 1 millisecond response time, along with adaptive sync technology. This means smoother gameplay, reduced screen tearing, and faster reaction times. Perfect for competitive gamers. Is refresh rate a deal breaker for you? Let us know in the comments. When it comes to features, budget monitors keep it simple, offering basic HDMI and VGA ports, no USB hubs, and minimal adjustments. The high-end monitor brings in multiple HDMI and DisplayPort options, built-in USB ports, and premium features like HDR support, customizable RGB lighting, and ergonomic adjustments. These extras can make a big difference for multi-device setups and professional use. Do extra features matter to you, or do you prefer a simple setup? Comment below. Which one is right for you? So, which monitor should you buy? Go for the budget option if you need a basic display for web browsing, office work, and casual use. It gets the job done without breaking the bank. Invest in the premium option if you need higher resolution, faster refresh rates, and better color accuracy for gaming, content creation, or professional work. Ultimately, it depends on your needs and budget. If visual quality and performance matter, a high-end monitor is worth the investment. But if you just need a functional screen for everyday use, the budget option will serve you well. So, does a $1,000 monitor justify its price, or is a $100 monitor enough? Let us know which one fits your needs in the comments. Thinking of upgrading? Check out the product links in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons.